What's up, guys? Back with another video, and this week I was actually gonna get my roof wrap today, but it's a little bit icy outside. If you can see, that's straight ice, straight as icy. So instead of getting the roof wrapped, we'll have to wait probably either next week or wait a couple of weeks. But I'm gonna go ahead and, like I said, I think a couple videos ago, gonna go ahead and get the black S5 badge on there, and then we're also gonna wrap the taillights here in some black vinyl wrap from this company called R Vinyl. So let me show you that. That's how it comes in the package. It's pre-cut, so it shouldn't be too crazy. Hopefully we can get it on there without any issues or any bubbles or anything like that. So, and I've also got the front badge, because after I put that RS style honeycomb grill on there, basically they sent me an RS badge, an RS5 badge, which I don't want to do that. I have an S, so not about to be flexing with the fake badge. So I got the S5 badge ordered, and with the S5 badge, they basically sent me the attachment to go to like a stock grill. So I'm gonna go ahead and use I don't even know what to call it, like the plastic piece from the RS badge that they sent me. I'm just gonna put my S5 badges on there. Just gonna go ahead and use, like, this is the RS thing, that's why it's so long. So there's just gonna be extra, a little bit of extra space hanging off, but I'll just stick them on there. And then this is the rear badge. I think it looks pretty good. Sizing looks about the same, so yeah, that should be pretty nice. All right, and I am wearing gloves, so do not rag. It is like 20-something degrees outside, so hands are a little cold. But I guess we'll go ahead and start by getting the back of her cleaned off here. She's pretty filthy, so we'll start with that. I'll use some good old window cleaner. Works for everything. Spray her down, get all that dirt wiped off of there, and then I'll start heating the badge up and try to get it off of there so I can get this the black one put on there. So stay tuned and we will get this ball rolling. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start with the badge, because I feel like that'll be the easiest. So we're gonna get that heat gun on there, start warming it up, and then we'll start trying to peel it back and see if we can get it off there. I just have this thin little piece of metal, see if I can get it between there without scratching the paint. Then we'll use this little wire, see if we can get that between there. Oh, boom, and she's off. So here's the old badge. So they look pretty similar in size. So I think that this will be a good replacement. All right, so now we're gonna be using some Goo Gone to get this adhesive, whatever you want to call it, off of there. Some Goo Gone and a little rag, and should do the trick. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave this little bottom piece right here, so that way I can kind of line up the S with where the S was. So I'm just gonna leave that little part there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clean off that area with some window cleaner. That way that Goo Gone isn't stuck on there, and that way you can have a good contact badge. Alright, so now she's all cleaned up. We'll go ahead and pull out the new badge here. Let's see, is this just the... Okay, so yeah, it pulls off and it's straight adhesive, so it should be ready to go. All right, yeah, I love that. I think I got it on there pretty straight. Looks good. Use the that little bottom part to line it up, so I think it's pretty good. So now we just got to get this old Chrome 5 off of there and get the black one on, and we'll be done with the back. Got the 5 off of there. All right, so we're gonna do the same thing as I did with the other one and leave that small little spot for the, so I know where to line the 5 up. Then I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with some window cleaner and wipe it off so it can stick good, and then put it back on there. All right, now time for 5. She is finished. I think that looks amazing compared to just the regular old Chrome. Definitely changed it up a little bit. Super simple mod, but I think it looks good. All right, so got the that RS style or RS badge, whatever you want to call it. Then we're gonna go ahead and get these S badges that I ordered put on there. I'll link everything in the description where I got it from, but pretty much everything's off eBay. I think I'll go ahead and line it up on the left, or I guess I could do it in the middle, just to utilize that space. Yeah, we'll go ahead and line it up in the middle. Gonna go ahead and interrupt myself here to tell you to like, comment, and subscribe. But that's pretty much all I got for you, so back to the video. So I'll go ahead and kind of match the width of the red S part here. And that way it kind of looks like a stripes going down like a black stripes going down the left. Got that idea from one of my buddies. I smashed my thumb last week in that the video of me painting my grill, so that's what that is. close as possible. I think it's slippery, man. I think that's actually perfect. Go ahead and stick that down. All right, so the front badge is now ready. We'll go ahead and head back outside and get it put on the car. I think we're gonna put it just below the Audi symbol here on the left. So it is locked on there. I think that's pretty good, pretty solid. Can't really tell because everything's black, but I think it looks pretty good. All right, guys, so she is now finished up. Let me go ahead and give you that final shot. So yeah, the badges are looking great. Car is very dirty, but as you can see, there's snow on the ground, so can't really do too much about washing it yet. It's just gonna get right back on there. The black S5 badge came out great. I did go ahead and get the taillights done. This video would be like 30 minutes long if I put that in here, so I'll put that in another video, either next week or a couple weeks down the road. But yeah, those are done. They did come out really good, especially for me not having much wrapping experience. Once the snow gets out of here and I can wash up the car, I'll give you guys a nice video showing you how she's looking and everything. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up here. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.